How to generate a QR code for a WhatsApp group. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view the chat list. Open any group chat from the list. Then tap on the group name at the very top. Once you're in this page, tap on the option Invite to Group via link. Then, you will find many methods of sharing the group link via WhatsApp. From this menu, we will select the option QR code. A unique QR code will be generated, which can be used as a link to connect. You can also reset the code. Then, you need to tap on this upload icon at the top right corner. And from the menu, you will see many options to share the QR code. You need to pick any application and share the unique QR code of this group chat. So, by following these steps, you can easily generate a QR code for a WhatsApp group.